we'll guide you through how to use Google Docs spell check. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs on your computer and either create a new document or open an existing one. Once you've got your document open, look towards the top menu bar. You'll see an option labeled Tools. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Spelling and Grammar. Here, select Spelling and Grammar Check. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen, showing you any spelling or grammar errors found in your document. Google Docs will highlight the errors directly in the text and provide suggestions in the sidebar. You can click on a suggestion to replace the error in your document, or you can choose to ignore it if you believe it's correct. If you want to check everything automatically, you can also enable the Show Spelling Suggestions option. This setting will underline misspelled words in red as you type. Additionally, if you're working with a document in a different language, make sure to set the correct language by going again to Tools, then Language, and choosing the appropriate one. This ensures the spell check works accurately. Remember, keeping the spell check feature on will help maintain the professionalism of your documents by catching errors that you might overlook. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.